boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have James Arthur here with a song called Homecoming. So we have this verse play and chorus play. That's two different parts here we're going to look at. So let's take a look at the chords. We're going clean here, no need for any capo. And the verse play is a little bit different here. It's not just straight chords. We want to aim for certain notes here. So we're gonna leave that chords and just go over the other chords here that is just straight strumming pattern used in the chorus. Alright, so the four chords there will be B minor, G, D, and A. So let's start with B minor. That's a bar chord. You place the bar on the second fret and you bar all strings except for the last D here in the bass. So 5 strings from bottom up. And then you need to add fourth on D, fourth on G, and third on B. The next chord will be G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have the D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second second E in the end. And then we have the final chord, which is the A. And that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. So B minor, G, D, and A, that is the chords we're going to use for straight strumming. But first, let's look at the verse play. And we have this part here. I'm going to play it for you slowly so you understand what's done here. And let's go. All right, so it's based upon the D, F chord, the A, and then the G. So the D, F chord, what you do here, I think it's the best scenario, is to just put a bar here on the second fret. You bar 4 strings there from bottom up. So E, B, G, and the D string here on the on the second fret here. So 4 string, all right? So on the second fret, you place a bar there, and you want to highlight the notes on the D string here, the second fret, which you have barred right now, and then you just add the 4th fret on D string, and then you want to highlight the 3rd fret on the B string. That together builds up this D, F chord, the D chord but with an F sharp here in the bass. That's the bass for this strumming here, and you want to do that in a strumming motion, so that will be with the bar here first, a short downstroke, and then you add on the 4th fret on D string. So you play one down, and then you hammer on the 4th fret D string, and then you hit the 3rd fret B string there with that downstroke as well. When we play this verse play, we'll stay with short downs and upstrokes, okay? So we really want to aim for certain notes here. So that is the 2nd D, 4th D, which you're going to hammer on, and then 3rd B. All right, so you have the bar and all that as a supporting notes to just play more than just single notes, or you could just play. That is very empty if you compare that to this. All right, so that's the first part, the D, F chord. Then the next part will be the A. You hold the chord as it is, and you want to aim for the notes on the B string, which is the 2nd B, open B, and 2nd B. You do that with down, up, down. And again, short downstrokes. You don't want to go all the way here to grab a full A down and up. Just down, up, down, around the B string to really emphasize that notes. So 2nd B, open B, and 2nd B, down, up, down. And then comes the final based upon the G chord here. I suggest you hold the grip like this, 3rd fret on the E string with your middle finger, and then your index finger on the 2nd fret G string. And on the G string, this is where the action happens. That's where we want to emphasize the notes there. The notes will be like this. You will do that with a down, up motion, okay? So alternating down, up. So it will sound like this. So the first down, you're gonna play and try to hit the 2nd fret G string, but you also want to incorporate the bass now. This bass will ring out through the entire chord here, and you will not play it later, just the first down here, and then you're gonna go down and try to hit the G strings down there and leave the bass, the E string here, out of it. So, all right, so the first down, hit the bass all the way down to the G string, the 2nd fret G string. And then the following 4 up, down, you're gonna hit on the 4th fret G string. So that will be up, down, up, down, up, down. 4 times there. So up, down, 4 times on the 4th fret G string. And then you're gonna release it to get 3 times on the 2nd, back to 2nd G string with the up, down, up. To summarize the G part here, it was 1 down on the 2nd fret G string together with the bass, so the full spectra of G down to the G string. And then you add a 4th fret on G string and play up, down, up, down. Try now to stay around the G string. Then you release it to get back to the 2nd fret G string and play 3 times on the up, down, up. So slowly it will be the full G like this. And there you have the ending of the G and the verse play. So the D, F, the A, and the G sounds like this slowly. And that is how I handle the verse. Now let's go over to chords. This is now just plain strumming, and we need to learn the strumming pattern here. So grab the first chord, that's the B minor. Okay, so one round will be down, down, up, down, up. So I play the first down on the bass strings, and the next down on top strings, down here, and then I continue with up, down there on the top strings. So down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so in a context, it will sound like this for a couple of rounds. You will have to switch chords. So we're gonna play B minor 1, G1, D1, and A1. That's it. So B, G, D, and A. Again. So there you have James Arthur's Homecoming. I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you will support me here on Growing Guitar. That gives me motivation to go on. So thank you, everybody, and play tuned.